Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix all PayPal errors on Shopify theme. So, if you're facing PayPal errors on Shopify, follow these steps to fix them. Step 1 is ensuring that PayPal is properly linked. Navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to settings and navigate to payments. Now, under PayPal, click manage or you can also add a payment method. So under PayPal, you have to click on manage and ensure that your PayPal email is correct. If PayPal isn't activated, click activate PayPal button just right here and log in using your user credentials after clicking on activate button at the top right of that screen. Now, another way to fix this problem is fixing common PayPal errors. So the error that says PayPal payment not working can be solved by going to your PayPal's dashboard, then navigating to account settings and ensuring that your account is verified. Also, check if your bank account or card is linked to PayPal or not. Now, another error that people face is things don't appear to be working right now. So, disable or re-enable PayPal in Shopify, then clear browser cache or try incognito mode. You can click on three-dotted icon at the top right, click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, click on choose what to clear. Make sure you choose this box that says cookies and other site data and click on clear now. After this, your cookies will be cleared and that could also fix a problem. Now, another error that people face is customers can't complete payment. So, go to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, then navigate to payments option just right here. Then here you'll have to click on manage PayPal option after you would have activated your PayPal. Then enable guest checkout so customers can pay without a PayPal account. Now, another error that people faces is PayPal payment not depositing. So log into your PayPal dashboard, navigate to activity, then check payment status. If money is on hold, confirm order fulfillment in PayPal and that would instantly fix your problem. Now step 3 will be testing our PayPal checkout. Place a test order using a different PayPal account, check Shopify order details to confirm payment success and your PayPal checkout should now work without errors. So that's how you fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.